This story was sponsored by Murphy Granite in Richmond, specializing in precision granite carving.
We have created a Legacy Creative Guide as a tool for you as a family so that you can go back and reflect on your loved one's life and help take their story and express it in stone. The front of the tool has some obvious things. We need to know names, dates, and spelling. You can download this form and it gives you that information. We need to know things about the cemetery and plot. But we also need to know whether you want anniversary dates, genealogy of kids, and that's all on the tool. The second element of the tool is kind of a reflection piece on your loved one's life. Our lives are expressed in 8 main categories or areas: faith, belief, interest, and hobbies. Our contributions to our society, maybe hobbies, interests. What's important at this level is not how you portray those memories. It's just important that you reflect and you as a family decide what's important. Typically, we can take anything and do it symbolically relatively easily. Hunting and fishing, love of hunting and fishing. You could put a deer or a fishing boat or a fishing scene. So these areas are meant for you to reflect on and think about. Those things that are done symbolically are much easier. The hardest thing in the world is this category, and that's our character and traits. That is our humanity, the story, the lessons you've learned from mom or dad or your husband. What is it, their gift that they gave to you? That is very hard to do symbolically and is much easier to do through written form and expression, whether it's a verse, a Bible verse, a song. On the back of this guide is nothing but an open area for you and your family to discover, to doodle, to sketch, to write notes on. And it's just important before you meet with your memorial counselor to talk about those things as a family and decide what is it that you want to remember on that stone. And so hopefully you'll find this a wonderful tool for you and your family to use.
This story was sponsored by Murphy Granite in Richmond, specializing in precision granite carving, providing granite memorial design, fabrication, and installation throughout the Midwest. Don Calhoun leads a creative team at Murphy Granite that believes in capturing life's precious memories in the personalized custom design of your loved one's memorial. Unique designs can be created to give a personal touch to your memorial forever. Explore the creation of your loved one's legacy at www.murphygranite.com.